Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the brand new iOS 18.2 developer beta that just dropped, and I downloaded it on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, what I was looking forward to most in this iOS 18.2 was the image playground, and I wanted to show my kids because they would have lots of fun with it. But when I downloaded it, I noticed that you don't have access to it. It says, it basically puts you on a wait list and you have to wait to get access. Well, today I finally got access, and it had to do some downloads to get the app working, but I did it, played around with it, and it's a lot of fun. Now, it could use some work, as you'll see here in just a moment, but Image Playground was my #1 feature I was looking forward to. Genmojis, which is basically Image Playground being able to be used in your Messages app. Then next is the image wand, which you'll also see here in just a minute. It's in notes. You can type whatever you want and it'll turn your notes into images. It's a really cool feature. And then finally, #4, but one of my favorite things I was looking forward to in this iOS version is ChatGPT integration with Siri. So you'll see some of the amazing stuff you could do here in just a moment. So stay tuned. Let's chat. So here's one of the features I've been looking forward to in iOS 18.2 in the beta is the image playground. So I want to compare this against the Google Gemini Pro, which I also have and subscribe to. So let's just type in something, I don't know, alligator swimming in space. And let's see, let's see how it comes up. Okay, there it is, alligator swimming in space. Now if we go to Google, let's go to Google Gemini and type in theirs, let's see, alligator swimming in space. And we'll see here. Now this, Google's does take a minute. I think a little longer than Apple's, but let's see what it produced. Okay, it doesn't really show the alligator swimming, it just shows an alligator in space. So I actually think Apple's here wins, because this shows some water here. But if we keep going, that's the alligator swimming in space. Why don't we, let's see, if you click that little show more, there's different themes we could put it to. So how about a love theme with alligator swimming in space? Okay, it shows some hearts around it. Okay, now let's see if we keep going, then it shows, here's some sample costumes. So how about the alligator being a farmer swimming in space? There you go, there's the alligator dressed up as a farmer. And then if we keep going, here's some sample accessories. How about a bow tie? Let's put a bow tie on the alligator and let's see what pops up. Now, just so you know, if you're using this for a little bit, I've found that using this feature, the image playground, the phone gets really hot. So the phone is really working overtime to make this happen. So if you could see this, there is the alligator swimming in space. Actually, he's not really swimming anymore, but so that's maybe something I would hit the thumbs down on, and I could give feedback as to what's wrong with it. You know, it doesn't resemble style, incorrect anatomy, whatever the features are, and I could put some more info here. So I can give some feedback, but I see some water in the background, even though the alligator is not swimming. But I do have that love theme in the farmer outfit with the bow tie. Is he still in space though? I don't know. I see some, I guess, some stars in the background. But still, I think it's a good start. I think they have some ways to go. Now let's get an actual person. Let's cancel this. Let's get me. So I'll put Michael. Oh, here's a couple I did already. But I'll put Michael as, let's see here. So there's me. I don't think that really looks like me. No. I don't think so. Oh, no. Well, I don't know. Let's use this. Let's put, let's see, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Let's see what it does for a birthday theme. Okay, so it has some balloons. some candles. I wish it was zoomed out more, like not so zoomed in, so you could see more of what's around, maybe more of my body and maybe more of the background. Here's a costume, so I'll put let's put royalty. Yeah, why not? Let's put a royalty themed costume on me. Now there we go. King Michael, okay. And there's a little party, it looks like a party hat castle back there. And let's see, what else? Accessories. We could put a, I don't know, a scarf on me, why not? So let's hit scarf, let's see. I don't see a scarf, I see a necklace. Okay. So that's wrong. I hit scarf and it's putting a pearl necklace. How about a bow tie instead? Let's get rid of the scarf. We'll put a bow tie on me like the alligator. Yeah, there's a black bow tie, if you could tell. There's a red one. So this is just fun to play with. And if I hit done, there it is. You could share it with people. So you can share it, further edit it if you want to go back and change things around. And that's the image playground. So this is probably what I was looking forward to most, and it's a lot of fun to play around with. I think they have a lot of work to do with it, but let's check out the next feature. Okay, next let's talk about Genmoji. So Genmoji is just an emoji that you now get to generate using the image playground. So here's a message to my buddy, and if you just if you hit the smiley face where your emojis normally would be, you now see this here. I don't know if the camera's getting it out, but there's a new smiley face with a plus. So if you hit that, alligator celebrating. So now if you hit this for Siri, happy alligator. Hit done. Let's see what it generates. So now you get the little circle here. There's a happy alligator, okay. And I could scroll through. Okay, that one has a tomato. And I think it'll just keep going. Let's use that one. So I'll add, and then send. Now, he's probably gonna respond saying, WTF, or like, what is this? But just to show you guys, that's how the new Genmoji feature works. Now, I don't know what version he has on his phone, but you don't have to be on 18.2 to receive Genmojis. I think as long as you're on 18.1, you're still fine. I'm not sure about 18.0 or 0.0.1, but 18.1 should work. The next new feature is called the image wand. So now we're in the notes app here, and so I just typed in castle on a cliff. So now if we hit this button right here, you'll see this is a new wand feature. And start with a circle, create an empty space, replace with a sketch. Okay, so let's draw my little circle right here. Castle on a cliff. It took that right from the note. Wow, look at that. That's pretty good. Let's see what else. Wow, that's great. So that's what the image wand feature is. Now we'll hit done. Let's hit the wand again. Let's draw another circle right here. Not castle on a cliff, but let's describe something. You can put anything you want. Let's say spaceship. That's pretty generic. I don't know, let's see what it pulls up. Okay, spaceship. There you go, different spaceships. But I think what's really cool is when you type something, it'll take from your notes what you typed, and then it'll create the image. So that is the new image wand, which is in the Notes app. Next is what a lot of people are looking forward to is ChatGPT integration. So if we go down, this is in settings, we go to Apple Intelligence, and let's go down to ChatGPT. You'll see this option that says confirm ChatGPT requests. Now when you ask Siri something, if Siri can handle it, Siri will respond. But if Siri can't handle it, it'll hand off the request or whatever you're asking to ChatGPT. And when it does that, you'll get a prompt saying basically, do you want ChatGPT to take over? And you'd say yes, but I don't want to have to do that every single time. So just untoggle this in the settings and it should just be free flowing. So let's try it now. I'm going to hit the Siri button. Give me some YouTube video ideas about iOS 18.2 and the new features. See, it's working. This one, it's got to be handing over to ChatGPT. Yep, that looks just like ChatGPT actually. So here are some video ideas focusing on 18.2 and new features. That's pretty cool. So if you haven't tried ChatGPT before, you should check it out. It's really great. I also, as I might have mentioned, I have Gemini Pro as well with Google. And I find them both really amazing to use. Let's see here. So that's, yep, here it is, ChatGPT. Those were my 4 most anticipated features coming from iOS 18.2. I'm looking forward to testing it out some more. Hopefully they improve on the image playground. I think when it comes to actually people, taking pictures of people and turning them into those animated photos, I think they could do a better job, but I think it's great that you could give them feedback on what could be improved and what's wrong and things like that. So I'm looking forward to testing it out some more. And if you have any questions, comment below. Happy to answer any questions. And thanks for watching.